West, News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, just a few little showers coming up from the southwest tonight, courtesy of what's left of the remnants of what was once Hurricane Barry. You can see a couple little showers here working northeastward. So they'll be very spotty, but there'll be a few tonight and tomorrow morning. Now, the thing is, there's a little weak cold front here. This will pick up Barry and kind of whisk it away. But as quickly as this little front tries to come in, and it'll wash out because it's going to be overtaken by a big ridge, a big dome of intense heat. 87 tomorrow, though. We're going to bubble up scattered storms, though, as the remnants zip on just southeast of us. So scattering a storm, it's going to feel like 96, winds out of a southerly direction. I think there's the risk of an isolated severe storm or two, brief, weak isolated tornado, or a brief wet downburst that comes out of a few storms. Heavy rainfall and localized areas. Rainfall is going to vary a lot. Some places may only get 1/10 of an inch out of this, or a few hundreds. Other areas plus 2 inches in a sudden intense downpour. 86 to 90 will do it for highs tomorrow, with heat indices peaking anywhere between about 95 and about 100 degrees. Wednesday, just a couple isolated storms around, partly cloudy, heat index 101, a high of 91 degrees. With 89 Florida, 90 Monticello, 91 at Williamsport, with heat indices rising between about 97 and about 102. Here's 18 Precision Cast. Couple spotty showers tonight, perhaps a few more late tonight, tomorrow morning. Maybe a small isolated little storm around, then a lull, and then we bubble up scattered storms tomorrow afternoon, lasting into tomorrow evening, and then nothing more than an isolated storm or two on Wednesday. And then the heat overtakes us. Watch the pattern. Everything going in a big circle. This is the ring of fire pattern. Your dome of intense heat is right here. Many locations at or above 100 degrees. A lot of places the heat index more than 110, from Kansas all the way to Massachusetts. And this is a good pattern for what we call derechos, long-lived significant damaging wind events. And these are going to track from the Dakotas right through Ontario and through northern New England. The only thing we're looking at here is maybe an isolated storm or two Saturday, Sunday, if they can break through the cap. Better potential of some storms coming in next week by Monday. And a few of those could be severe, could be a line of storms. It'll tend to cut the heat a little bit. But boy, really from Thursday right through Sunday, intense heat wave, dangerous heat wave, very warm at night. Overnight lows 75 to 80, daily highs 95 to 100, and the heat index 105 to about 114 before we get again a round of storms perhaps on Monday. And the thing is, places like highly urbanized areas like Chicago, Des Moines, Iowa, for example, Detroit, New York City, D.C., all these areas could get 100 degrees with heat indices of more than 110. So this is going to become a very dangerous national story and dangerous heat wave.
So Saturday here could probably get over 100 degrees, just the normal temperature?
Yeah, some places I think will touch it. Yeah.
All right, gotcha. Thank you, Chad.
Okay.